So in this video, you'll learn how to connect your Sony WH-CH720N headphones with the Sony Sound Connect companion app. So the first step is to just go ahead and open the App Store on your preferred device, whether it's an Android phone or an iPhone. Then from here, you want to use the search function and you want to type in the words Sony, Sound, and then Connect. And then you want to search. You should see it listed here in the search results. So you're going to just tap on it and you want to ensure that it's by Sony Corporation. From here, you then want to select install and simply wait for the app to be downloaded onto your phone. Once it's been downloaded, you're going to select open to launch it. And then from here, you just need to go ahead and set it up. This includes choosing your location or your region, as well as agreeing to the terms of policy and user license agreement. Then select start. So go ahead and read through, then select next, agree and proceed, and then agree and start using. So from here, you can choose to either enable or disable notifications. It's up to you. And then once you've done that and you've given the necessary permissions that are needed, you can then start the process of connecting your headphones to the Sound Connect app. So if you've already connected the headphones to your device without the Sound Connect app, they should be automatically detected. However, if it's your first time, you should see this menu appearing and it's telling you to connect your headphones by placing them in pairing mode. So with the Sony WH-CH720N headphones, you're just going to press on the power button until the indicator light starts blinking to ensure that it's in pairing mode. Once it's in pairing mode, then they'll automatically be detected. So what you're going to do is just select the headphones and wait for them to be connected. If you don't see them detected, then you can use any of these other options that were listed down here so that you can be able to easily connect. From here, allow the companion app to access your Bluetooth settings so that you can establish the connection properly. And then tap on OK and select next. So now what you want to do is just go through the process of setting it up, such as ambient sound control. So you can choose to tap on get started, or you can choose to do that later. You can choose to follow up with a tutorial on how to use the headphones. So go ahead and select go to tutorial. And then if you decide you already know how to use the headphones and you no longer need the tutorial to help you, you can just press on the close button and skip the tutorial. From here, you'll also be prompted to enable voice assist. So you can choose to turn that on or you can choose to do that later. It's completely up to you. Once you've done that, you'll be brought to this page and you can see you successfully connected and set up your Sony WH-CH720N headphones to the Sound Connect app. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments about this process that you would like answered, feel free to leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.